Hey scrapper people, today we're going to tear apart this here overhead door, garage door opener, and we're going to see what we get. Fairly windy today, so hopefully we don't blow away, as you can hear, but we'll get this thing tore apart, weigh everything up, and we'll see what we would get, see if it was worth it. Well, let's get started. Tin, metal, nice big motor. Hopefully there's copper in that. Ooh, capacitor. Gotta watch those things. Make sure there's no charge on them. Definitely don't want to get zapped by that. Throw that in the scrap. That's a piece of rice. I think it's pork. Later. A little bit of weight on that motor. Big gear. couple of switches. Check out those M&Ms. Those are pretty big. With brass. It's also brass. In case you're wondering, those relays, they got a little bit of copper in them, a little bit of brass. Still something to take. One of those, it's copper. Show you how I sometimes clean them. Not much weight, but a little bit. The rest of that is scrap. Unless you see these little M&Ms. Supposed to be silver on them. They say there could be some silver in them. I don't know. Not sure what to do. Go. He's go. Anything goes right. We just mark the cover. Holding back together. You want to find screws or something? They don't work. We got grinder. That's better. Let's see if this bad boy is copper. It is. It is copper. So woohoo! That's great. This has got metal pins in it, so I'm not going to be able to use the machete. So I have to take it off the other way. So I'm going to get this out, and then I'll finish cleaning up everything, and then we'll be back. Okay, we are back. So for all the steel, we have 12 pounds, 11.8 ounces. That's a good bit, a little bit of steel on there. For the brass, we got 0.8 ounces. For the insulated copper wire, we have 3.9 ounces. I just got the cord because it would have been very little if I didn't. So, and for the biggie of the night, the copper. Look how much copper I got out of that. That is 1 pound, 6.1 ounces. That was a good bit of copper out of that motor, and everything in there was copper. So if you come across one of these, I think it would be worth stripping it, cleaning it out. If you come across the garage door opener, at least this one was pretty nice. So, and I hope you like my video. I'm going to try to do more. I'm also working on getting a better camera. I know this one's not the greatest, so I'm trying to find a better one so you can see a little more detail of what I'm doing and all. And please like, share, and subscribe to videos. And yeah, I'm having fun doing them, so as long as you watch, I'll keep doing them. Well, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. See ya.